So hello guys and welcome back to Smart Money Hustle. By the way guys, most people usually ask me, why are you not sharing jobs that are not limited by location? Okay, let me be honest with you. Some of the AI training sites that I share are limited by location. But today I got those people who have that challenge, because the site that I'm going to share today has global opportunities. Okay, so please make sure you watch this video up to the end as I guide you on how you can make an application and also the kind of jobs that you can sort or select and start doing once they accept you. Okay, so the name of the site is Rise Data Labs. And by the way, before I even continue further, thank you guys for subscribing, and if you are a new person to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe so that whenever I share these opportunities, you are going to be among the first to be notified. And also remember, they are first come first grab opportunities. So let me continue. So you'll just type on Google Rise Data Labs, and then you'll come over here to this link over here, all talent opportunities. So over here guys, all the jobs are listed. Okay, but if you want to filter, which is also good, you'll come over here and then filter according to the specific things that you want. Okay, like for skills, you can come and filter over here. For contract type, if you want a full-time, part-time or contract job, you come and filter over here. Salary range, you come and filter over here the salary that you want, okay, or you are comfortable with. Or if you don't want to filter, then you can come and pass through all the jobs and check the ones that you think you qualify for. Like, let me just use this as an example, or this one, entry-level remote job, generative AI content reviewer. This one, most people can do it, even beginners. Even this one, even beginners can be able to do it. Okay guys, and the good thing with this job is that it is a global, so all countries are welcome to do an application. So this one doesn't limit you because of location. You can try it. Okay, and it's also remote. That means you can work at the comfort of your house. Okay, it's a contract, meaning that is going to end any time. Okay, once they reach their target. And the payment is also listed over here. Like this one is paying $5 to $10 per hour. This other one is paying $15 to $30 per hour. So you come and see the one that you think you are comfortable with, and then you continue and make an application. Okay, so how do you make an application on this site? First of all, this site requires you to create an account. So you're going to do like a signing up. You sign up, and then they're going to ask you for your resume and other details. Make sure you fill everything, even the skills. If they ask, fill them. Okay, put as many skills as possible so that you are not limited by any job that you apply. Okay, and also in your CV, be general, or you can also be specific if you're looking for specific kind of jobs. Okay, so if you're looking for like this one of remote image annotation, just be specific to this kind of work. And then once you have created your account, you come to a job like this one, and then you come over here, click over here, view details. And then once you do that, you're going to see the job description. It's good for you to pass through the job description. I'll keep on emphasizing this. Pass through the job description so that you see what you are supposed to do in the job. Failure to do this, you are going to have challenges while doing that job in case they accept you. Also, it will enable you to see the requirements that they want early. Okay, so like this one, they are saying you should have an experience working with a data annotation platform such as Appen, Scale AI. I think most people have the experience working with these ones. If you are serious enough with these AI training jobs, maybe you have worked in any of these. Okay, so you are supposed to have an experience with that. Okay, and if you don't, I can advise you, maybe you can create an account in any of these ones, and then once you create an account, maybe if they ask for a link or anything to prove that you have ever been to that site, then you share. Okay guys, all right. Now after doing that, after checking the job description, this one you just do automatic. This one you're going to apply automatically. You just click over here, apply, and it's going to go upload automatic. Okay, like me, the apply button is not there. Why? Because I've already made an application. Okay, so let me just use an example that I haven't made any application so that you understand. So like this one, which one is okay, this one. I'll just click over here, pass through the job description, and then once I've done pass through the job description, I can come over here and I click apply now. It's going to apply automatically. Why is it doing so? Because while I was signing up, I uploaded my CV, my resume, I uploaded all the details. Okay, so right now if I do an application, it's going to apply automatically, and now I wait and see if they are going to accept me. Okay, so like right now you can see it is on review, so I cannot be able to do anything. Okay, I'm just waiting to see if they are going to onboard me. Okay, my profile also is new because I found this site today, and that's why, guys, I've told you I'm honest. I found this site today and I decided also to share with you guys because I don't want to leave anybody behind. So this channel is for you. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. And please also, if you have a challenge, please, the comment section is open. Comment, say anything. Let us help each other, okay, guys? So under review over here, I'm waiting for my profile to be reviewed, and also for these jobs that I've also applied. Okay, guys? Once you have done that, you wait, or you can come over here, click over here, browse more jobs, and then you go down and check all the jobs that you think you qualify for, and you make applications. Okay, it is just simple, just clicking and going in. And something that you have noted, guys, many of them are global. You can see global, all countries are welcomed. Okay, all countries are welcome. You can see, guys, for those who are telling me they are having a challenge because some of the site limits location, then this one is a site that you must try, or you have to try. Okay, guys, so these are the jobs. They are almost endless, but come and check them. Come and check them. The site is Rise Data Labs. Okay, and by the way, guys, I shared with you a very important video of how to create an AI training resume. Go and check one of my previous videos, and then you're going to see how to create an outstanding resume for applying for these jobs. Some of you are failing because of the resume that they are using. So go and check that video. I'm going to put it at the end of this video. Okay, guys? So you can see the jobs are endless. So you come and select the ones that you think are better for you or you are qualified for, and then you continue, make an applications. Guys, we are trying. I'm not guaranteeing you that you're going to get a job here, but it's better to try many, okay? Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Try as many sites as possible that I share, and also do your research and find other sites. Go and make applications, more applications, and see if you can be able to get a job over there. And I understand some people are having challenges here with daily living, the economy, and everything. Then I decide to share these things. Go and try them out. The only favor that I can ask from you guys is please to watch my videos, and also to give me a like, and also to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any of my good videos. So guys, I'm going to share another site either today or tomorrow, so be on the lookout. Remember, these are fast grab opportunities, so don't be left behind. So this is Smart Money Hustle. This is Smart Paul. See you on the next video. Bye.